Hi students, now I am going to take 12th standard maths 6th chapter application of vector algebra. Already we have studied so many points. Today we are going to learn one new concept. So vector triple product of three vectors. Already A dot B, A cross B. How to find out A dot B and A cross B, that we have completed. Scalar triple product of three vectors. Scalar triple product of three vectors. Scalar triple product of three vectors. We can take the three vectors be A, B, C. The scalar triple product of three vectors can be written as A cross B dot C or A dot B cross C. The term what is given inside the bracket must be in cross product. In case if you are writing A dot B cross C, we know this A dot B is a scalar quantity. We cannot multiply a scalar with the vector. That is, we cannot find out the cross product with the scalar and vector. Both must be in vector form. So, this is not applicable. So, the scalar triple product of three vectors can be written as A cross B dot C or A dot B cross C. This can be represented as box product of A, B, C. If this box product of A, B, C equal to 0, then we can say the given three vectors A, B, C are A, B and C are coplanar vectors. Coplanar vectors also you can say, or the points lies on the same plane. Both are same meaning only. Now based on this, let us solve this sum. Question itself it is given, the three vectors are coplanar. We want to prove that if these three vectors are coplanar, C is the geometric mean of A and B. To prove C is the geometric mean of A and B. Already we have studied about arithmetic mean, geometric mean and all. If C is the geometric mean, that is to prove C square is equal to AB. If you are getting this condition, then we can say C is the geometric mean of A and B. We will start with the given statement. Since these three vectors are coplanar, box product of these three values, that is determinant of the values what is given, the coefficients alone you have to write 1, 0, 1. Then the last one is, this is BK. C, C, B, that must be equal to 0. When you expand, A into 0 minus C, minus A into B minus C, plus C into C minus 0, which is equal to 0. That is minus AC minus AB plus AC plus C square equal to 0. Minus AC plus AC cancel. Now we are getting minus AB plus C square equal to 0, which implies C square is equal to AB. This is the condition we have to prove. That is, if C is the geometric mean means the value of C square must be equal to AB. So we can say for this three vectors, C is the geometric mean of A and B. Let us solve the second sum. A, B, C, B, three non-zero vectors and C is the unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. An angle between the vector A and B is given as pi by 6. We want to prove that box product of A, B, C the whole square is equal to 1 by 4 into modulus of A square modulus of B square. So in the question what is given? Since C is the unit vector, C is the unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. C is the unit vector perpendicular. Any vector perpendicular to two vectors means that can be written as C vector is parallel to A cross B. C vector is parallel to A cross B. Now the proof what is given, box product of ABC square. Without square you can start. Box product of ABC. Scalar triple product of three vectors. So with the help of these two we can write, that is A cross B dot C. Then we know dot product of two vectors means AB cos theta. So A cross B you can write as it is C vector cos 0. That is angle between two parallel vectors is either 0 or phi you can take. Angle between two parallel vectors will be either 0 or phi. Question itself it is given C is the unit vector. So this will become 1, cos 0 also 1. So remaining we are getting, since cos phi is also there, plus or minus A cross B. Then one more value is given. 5/6 is the angle between A and B. So when you expand this cross product, we will get A cross B is equal to AB sin theta. So this can be written as plus or minus modulus of A modulus of B sin pi/6. Sin pi/6 equal to 1/2. So modulus of A vector modulus of B vector into 1/2. Plus or minus is there. So this is only box product of A, B, C. So box product of A, B, C square. Squaring on both sides. Plus or minus will be cancelled. 1/4 into modulus of A square modulus of B square. This is the result we want to prove. Box product of ABC square is equal to 1/4 into modulus of A square modulus of B square. Next question is 4 points are given. A of 6 minus 7 0, B of minus 16 minus 19 minus 4, C of 0 3 minus 6 and D of 2 minus 5 and 10. We want to prove that these 4 points lie on the same plane. So last sum we discussed, if 3 vectors are given, if we want to prove the 3 vectors are coplanar vectors, box product of ABC equal to 0. Here 4 points are given. We can find out 3 vectors with the help of these 4 points. So if we are considering A, B, C, D as 4 points, it is enough to prove box product of AB, AC and AD equal to 0. If a box product of this value must be equal to 0, then these 3 vectors are coplanar. If these 3 vectors are coplanar, it is understood these 4 points lie on the same plane. So first part we have to find out AB vector. We know AB vector means OB minus OA. You know how to write this in vector form also. So you can write 16i minus 19j minus 4k minus 6i plus 7j minus 0, which is equal to 10i minus 12j minus 4k. This is AB vector. Now AC vector. AC means OC minus OA. This is 0. 0i plus 3j minus 6k minus 6i plus 7j minus 0k. So we are getting minus 6i plus 10j minus 6k. Third one, AD vector. OD minus OA. 2i minus 5j plus 10k minus 6i plus 7j minus 0k minus 4i plus 2j plus 10k. So now we got all these three vectors AB, AC, AD. So to prove the box product of these three vectors equal to 0, that is determinant of the coefficients of all the three vectors. 10 minus 12 minus 4 minus 6, 10 minus 6, then the last one is minus 4, 2 and 10. Now you can expand this determinant. 10 into 100 plus 12 plus 12 into minus 60 minus 24 minus 4 into minus 12 plus 40. So we are getting 10 into 112 plus 12 into minus 84 minus 4 into 28. When you are multiplying 1100 12 into minus 84, 12 into minus 84 will get minus 1008 minus 112. So we are getting the answer 1120 minus 1120. So cancel, you get the answer as 0. So if the box product of these three vectors equal to 0, then you can say these three vectors are coplanar. So if these three vectors are coplanar, the vectors formed by the 4 points A, B, C, D, these 4 points lie on the same plane. Thank you, children.